In this video we see the tire factory construction, which is common around us. Everyone knows that tires are made of rubber. But many things including metallic wire are added to increase its strength. A tire is made of 70% pure rubber. The remaining 30% of tire is made up of synthetic rubber and a few other chemicals that help the tire maintain its strength under various conditions such as hot water pressure. All these are taken together and put into a mixer to make the tire. Such mixers with 4,000 horsepower can mix any thick rubber. After mixing in this way, the paste-like mixture is passed between rollers and formed into a sheet. Depending on the tire specification, it is loaded and unloaded on the rollers several times. Batch number is also printed on all these. Now the next step is to connect the metallic wires to this rubber. About 1,000 wires are passed through a precisely aligned machine. Hot rollers press the prepared rubber around this wire. What comes out is a strong rubber containing steel, over which there is paint that indicates what materials were used to make the tire. These colors are always visible in new tires. Now cut it into small sheets. Each step of this will be accompanied by quality checking. The rings on the side of the tire are made of wire which is almost as thick as the first one. The bead is the part where the tire meets the wheel. In the same way, many of the parts inside the tire are made. The next step is to convert all these parts into tires. A tire assembling machine is used for that. Most important place for tire manufacturing. A long drum is used in this. First, a layer of rubber is wrapped around the inside of the tire. On top of this, another layer of metallized rubber is wrapped. At the same time, the bead placed inside the tire is taken from the side by the machine and placed on both sides of the wrapped rubber. Now the bladder in the middle becomes bigger and the parts including the bead are pushed in from the side. Right after this, another machine will take the top part of the tire and add it above it. This is where the tire tread comes in. The rubber part is still hot, so it's very easy to fit it all together. Side rollers are also used for this purpose. After this process, a tire-like material is obtained. It is called green tire because it is not yet ready for use. Now it should be usable through the process of curing. For that, they are heated in tread-shaped molds and pressed with a machine. Inside, the rubber melts like plastic and fits perfectly into every crevice. This heat causes a process called vulcanization within the rubber. This is the reason why the rubber does not break easily. After this process, which lasts for hours, ready-to-use tires with tread come out. Since the same company manufactures a variety of tires, there will be molds to manufacture various sizes and shapes. Tires came out but still not fit for use. There is quality checking. Alignment balancing is first tested by computer. Then use the machine to see if there are any defect at the point where the tire joins the metallic wires. Tires with problems are recycled here. A yellow dot will be marked on the part that seems to be lacking while looking at the balancing. When the tire is attached to the wheel, the air valve should be placed close to it for balance. This will help reduce the vibrations of the vehicle. After this, the quality checking is passed after the expert workers directly see and make sure that there are no problems. From there, stick the barcode on the tires and go to the storehouse. From there to carts around the world. How was the tire factory construction? If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, comment and let me know your opinions. You can also inform the construction worker the goods you like to see. Definitely doable. Thanks for watching.